subject Maths Standard 2nd. Hello everyone, I am Nilofer. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic. Children, this is a weigh scale. What do I mean by the weigh scale? It is a weight the objects whether it is heavy or light. I have two objects. One is balloon and another one is stone. I have put the stone is on one pan and the balloon is the another pan. And if you will see the pan on the right hand side of goes down whether stone is kept, and the pan that is on the left hand side is up. So what can you say? The stone is the heavier than the balloon. So it goes down. Now the balloon is lighter than the stone. So it is up. So today we are going to talk about the comparative between these two objects. One is balloon. Balloon is lighter than the stone and the stone is the heavier than the balloon. These are two comparative studies. Children, you can say here one weigh scale. Now, if we are taken two different fruits and kept here, I have put the mango in one pan and the pumpkin in the another pan. If you will see, the pan on the right hand side goes down. Whether pumpkin kept, and the left hand side is on goes up. So what can you say? The pumpkin is heavier than the mango. So it goes down and the mango is lighter than the pumpkin. So it is up. Children, I have put the pencil one pan and the apple another pan. The right hand side on my hand goes down and the left hand side goes up. So you can say that the pencil is lighter and the apple is heavier. There are two men. They are sitting on a seesaw. Now you can see one man goes up and another man is down. What do we learn? Have a person comes down, so he is heavier than a man who is sitting up, and the man who is sitting up is lighter than who is sitting down. So in the weigh pan, heavier person goes down and the lighter person is up. If I kept both the hands objects, okay, right hand side teddy bear and the left hand side feather. So the teddy bear is heavier, so my hand goes down, and the feather is lighter, so my hand is up. The lighter goes up and the heavier goes down. See here. There are two animals sitting on a seesaw. Now you can see the one animal goes up and the another animal goes down. What we learn here? The heavier animal goes down and the lighter animal goes up. Now children, which child is holding something light? Tell me. Yes, this girl is holding light. And which child is holding something heavy? Yes, this boy is holding something heavy. Today, Chotu has to water the plant. Chotu is filling water in bucket to water the plant. After filling the bucket, Chotu wanted to lift the bucket, but Chotu was not able to lift the bucket. I am not able to lift the bucket. What do I do? Let me ask Pinky. Pinky, I am not able to lift the bucket of water. How can I water the plant? Then Pinky said, Chotu, the bucket of water is heavy. You will not able to lift the bucket. All you can do is take the help of small mug to water the plant. This time Chotu filled the mug with the water and he watered the plant. So children, here the bucket was heavy and mug was lighter. I hope you all of you understood heavy and light with the help of this story. Draw rings around the things that are heavy. First picture, which thing is heavy? Tell me children. Yes, very good. Elephant is heavier for ant. Now next picture. Yes, very good. The monkey is heavier than banana. And last picture, which thing is heavier? Yes. This pot is heavier than butterfly. Now, activity time. Collect some heavy and light things in one basket and put the name like light and heavy with the help of chart paper and write down the LIGST light, one card paper and another one HEAVY heavy and keep on that side. Here this leaf is light, that's why this card in keep here, and this stone is heavy, that's why this card keep this side. Like that you Collect the heavy and light thing and keep the basket and put the name. Homework time. Sort out the lighter object and a heavier object to given this picture. Left hand side keep the lighter object and right hand side keep a heavier object. Sort out in your notebook. Circle the heavier object. Okay, read this sentence and complete it in your maths notebook, this work. I hope you all of you understood heavier and lighter objects. Thank you.